Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome is not working in Android. There are several reasons why Chrome on your phone can't be opened. First, it may be too outdated and needs to be updated, then there is a system problem in the Chrome application. So how to fix it? Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Play Store on your Android. Then type in the search field the keyword Chrome. If an update is available, here please tap Update. Wait for the update process to succeed, then try to reopen Chrome on your phone. If this method still fails, you can try the second method. Tap and hold the Chrome icon. Then tap the App Info or circle icon. You will be taken to the Chrome app settings. Tap Clear Data. Tap Manage Space. Clear all data. This will delete all your Chrome app data. If so, then reopen Chrome. Hopefully this tutorial can work on your phone. That's the tutorial on how to fix Chrome not working or can't be opened on an Android phone. See you in the next video. Thank you.